Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video we're going to go through my take-ins for April. So here we are with the book sales, 40 units ordered, 10 less books than March. But because I put some of the prices up of my books, the actual difference in cash isn't that much, it's a couple of dollars. I will show you that page soon, but first I'm going to show you the books that sold. So no surprise that out of how many different books sold there, 10 books that sold, 7 of them were craft paper pads. No surprise there. These fashion sketchbooks, they're also selling pretty well. You'll probably notice, if you've watched a few of these income videos, that this number here, 136, doesn't change a lot. Every quarter 4 period, you'll see another 10 books or so added, and every, June, July, August, you'll see another 10 or so books added for planners and seasonal books like that. But other than that, I'm not really making enough books. So in that sense, this bit of business is truly passive because I don't do anything with them. Normally I just let them get on with it, apart from twice a year when I make the new books. This month, or a part of this month, I did spend a bit of time putting the price up, especially of these better selling craft paper pads. So all of these, certainly these top 4, they're all £6.99, and I think that $7.99, something like that. They're all the same price. You will notice when I go into the royalties page that the royalties work out slightly differently, and I don't know whether that's because some of them I've put the primary selling market as the UK, some I've put the US. Obviously sales made in different countries will affect how much royalty you get paid and things like that. I'm not sure, but at least they're all roughly earning the same amount. So I will come back to these figures as we try and work out how much I earned per book, but now we'll go to the royalties. So here we are, £55.69. In March, I think it was £57.99, something similar, so not a lot of difference considering I'm 10 books down. So even though I think it was the Coffee Lovers Pad was the best selling book, it sold one more than the Steampunk one, the Steampunk has made £4.50 more in royalties. And the reason being, I assume, is that most of these sales were made in the UK. So from that point, I know that I'm guaranteed X amount of pounds per book. So I sold 5 copies in the UK, and that made £10.70. So I'm making over £2 a book. I sold 4 copies in the US, I think that said. Yeah, 4 copies in the US, not quite making $2. And in France, sold 1 copy, made €2.39. So that's not too bad. Down here, that's a little bit sad. I obviously haven't changed the Canadian dollar price. Or, I sold it before I changed all the prices, perhaps. So that got me 65p in sales. I sold 8 in the United States, so I'm getting, again, maybe did I change this price late? I don't know, but I'm getting over £1 a book where I wasn't previous. I was getting 80p. And in the UK, I sold 2 copies, and I'm making £3.21. So again, this could all be to do with where I've placed my primary market, perhaps, and basing prices off other things, and it's you need to look into it and get your prices set up early doors to guarantee you X amount of income per book. For this Cinco de Mayo, I've sold 7 in the United States, making nearly £9 or $11, so not bad. I Love the 80s, sold 3 in the US. So again, you know, I probably didn't change the price of this book in time, but still I'm making over £1 a book, so on average. So it's better than it was. As you can see, these 2 craft paper pads at the bottom, I didn't change these prices, but both in the United Kingdom, both made £1 each. For truly passive income, I'm not bothered. It would be nice if I could sell 100 of these, but I haven't. And this one here is one sale in the UK, making £1.61. Remember, I will put a link in the description to how you should make, or how you can make, each of these types of books in a few varying different softwares. These fashion books, I sold 3 of these, 2 of these, making just over £1 a piece. But £1.10, £1.15 for this one. So there we have it for today's video. It's another month where I've made over £50. If we check this year to date, made £200. So yeah, average £50 a month, which I'm not too disappointed about. To be honest, I'm going at a rate that was better than last year. I think I made £450. If I continue making £50 a month, I'm up to $600. Now, of course, the aim is to make more, but if I wasn't to touch it, if I wasn't to make any more books, if I wasn't to invest any time in it, and I could make £50 a month, then, you know, that's not bad. It pays a couple of bills. But I have got plans to release more books, so fingers crossed, and pull my finger out and get something done. Please do like, comment and subscribe. It really does help me out. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.